In integrating AI into operational workflows, what are the key strategies for maintaining the disruption AI brings to the status quo while ensuring seamless integration for existing mission frameworks? And I'll ask both of you to keep your answers tight in the interest
Sure.
of time.
Sure. Yeah. Look, I think there's a couple important concepts here. One, a lot of AI use cases that people talk about are about employee productivity, meaning saving people time. But when you really think about key missions and key opportunities, there's a deeper transformation that can be achieved here, and what we call sort of AI transformation. That is actually changing the workflows themselves to support more conversational interfaces to make it simpler for the user, but still have the same complexity on the underlying backend systems. And so to do that, you have to have tools that can extend an agentic framework, like in the case of ours, that allow people to add new functionality without having to rewrite these models and having to retrain and reprompt them, to do that in a way that really allows these business owners and these core sort of systems owners to take the tool and apply it quickly to those use cases while still adhering to the auditability and the traceability and trackability that's required.
Thank you, Bhavin. Over to you, Ron, to round this question out.
Well, first of all, I just want to double click on pretty much everything Bhavin said, right? That summarizes so many of the key issues perfectly. I would add, as we conceive this as an organization like Leidos that's introducing this AI transformation into many organizations. I talked already about the methodology we use, and I just want to come back to that because it's so critical. Typically AI that's introduced as a replacement for humans and marketed that way almost never works. And it doesn't work because it's generally not actually that effective. It's hard to replace humans. There are a lot of great capabilities and common sense knowledge that we have. So a huge amount of this comes along with addressing everything Bhavin said, comes to how do you frame AI and introduce it in the right ways? How do you introduce AI as a productive partner to people? A lot of that comes, frankly, from taking away the parts of the work that they don't want to do, right? There are huge amounts of our workday every day that feel wasted. And when AI can be an assistant that helps take away that work, people love it. People embrace the potential and are willing then to oversee AI and pay attention to managing the risks associated with doing that. When AI is posed as a threat to their jobs or a replacement, frankly, people stand back and suddenly AI becomes very risky. So a huge amount of success in managing these things is about how you frame the human AI relationship.